anymore.
Is that a dog in a car? Hey, hey! Where'd you learn to drive? What?
You selling drugs? Oh, but you buying drugs. What's up?
Round and around and around.
And around and around. I like this game.
2 shots of vodka. I'm falling.
So I'm taking my time on my ride.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas.
Alright campers, we're gonna play a little game called the Name Game. You can go first. My name's Shaka Ufka, and my dad knows God.
I like running through white people neighborhoods with my shirt off.
I'm gonna steal all your stuff.
Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Michael with a B, and I've been afraid of insects my entire life.
Stop. Where? Where's the B?
There's a bee.
Get me a Bloody Mary, and make it snappy. Sir, this is Subway. Just make it happen.
Treasure. Whoa.
The name game. Judy, bo booty, banana, fana, fo foodie. Screw you, Jay. Go in your room. Go.
Watch your profanity.
I didn't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me.
Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.